India reported 15,786 fresh COVID-19 infections in the last 24 hours, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare informed. Kerala reported 8,733 COVID-19 cases. At present, India's caseload of active cases stands at 1,75,745. That is the lowest in 232 days. Active cases account for less than 1% of the total cases in the country, currently at 0.51%. It is the lowest since March 2020. Meanwhile, India achieved the milestone of 100 crore vaccines on Thursday at around 10 a.m. in the morning. India's COVID-19 vaccination drive was launched on January 16, 2021. Addressing the nation on Friday, a day after what is being called the Vaccine Century feat, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said India's vaccine campaign is a living example of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas or Sabka Prayas. He stressed people's participation in the campaign has made it successful, bringing up the fact that many had mocked India banging thalis and lighting diyas during the time of the pandemic. However, the Prime Minister said that these actions had highlighted India's unity. 100 crore vaccine is not just a number. It's a new chapter in history, a testament that India can achieve a tough aim successfully. It shows that the country works hard for the fulfillment of its goals, he said. The subtext of Prime Minister's speech was to highlight how successful Make in India can be, considering India domestically produced and vaccinated its citizens and also exported the doses to other countries. Ahead of Diwali, when Indians loosened their purse strings, Prime Minister Modi urged everyone to buy local. He also cautioned against disregarding COVID protocols during the festive season and reminded that masks should be a part of life now.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.